ladies, especially those of una where they there where they open on a wide mouth. They talk, oh, I have to get married before 30. Before I'm 30. Like, no, I'm moreover, like, oh my God. I need to have all my children at least by 35.
Yes.
Let me don't born finish. By God's grace, I'll be married by 30. No matter how it be, I must marry. Waiting the worry all. Now I must marry. I must answer married women. Now plenty all of them don't do they kill you now.
Now make would they where with them?
Now make would they where with this one now?
My DM don't
see WhatsApp message, DM for Instagram. Don't fool now. He want to kill me. He want to kill me.
Save me from death.
Help me. Save me from untimely death. Hello.
Hello, Nedu.
Hey, how now?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You report to us about the lady where the husband don't become makeup artist, face beat by the husband.
Oga, thank God you called. Thank God. Oga, this woman is dying in that man's house. That man go as in every day. He beat this woman every day. I does not provide for the family. He does not do anything for the family. The only thing he does is okay. The woman used to work. The work she used to work is just small work that she just used to take care of her children.
Yes.
Then this man would be saying like, okay, since you work, if the man as well works, but he does not cater for the family. Anytime they say he collect money for as he collect in salary like this, more and collect salary, problem will start. If they don't day in peace for that house, they don't 2 days in peace, not just 2 days. That they don't 2 days in peace.
What's in the man they do?
The man they work. They say they do one work for church.
For church,
yes, for church, and he get another committee where in that committee the way they do like Igbo man anyway. So they get committee where they committee of friends where they always do. Saying the chairman for that place as well.
But which work in they do? Now pastor him be I been a normal church work in they do. I know.
Just normal church work when they the one where I know because I asked the wife. Like normal the one when you just tell me about I don't know maybe you get another work when they do apart from this one when she tell me.
Okay. We go call the woman now. Call the the line don't call.
Don't cut her.
You don't call.
And this man they work for church.
You know, according to Wetin, not be na church worker him be. We never know the kind church worker way him be. Okay. It could maybe saying in just they work for the church or maybe in just they do something for them. Maybe. Hello,
sir.
Yeah. So we go call the lady now. So but immediately we drop now. Make you call her. Tell her say we want call her. So that she go talk. We'll talk to her. Yes.
Sir. For a very long time now, all of us, the neighbors for the compound, all of us, they beg this woman, make she report to us. Say she no want disgrace the husband. She does not want to. Even before I report this case, I talked to my younger sister at home this yesterday. I need to report this case because this woman will die for the year. They had 2 children, boy and girl.
Yes.
And now the woman is pregnant. Maybe around maybe she's a month and now or 2.
Yes.
The man is not saying you're a very very useless. Why would you allow yourself to be pregnant? You have to go and abort that baby. And the woman is like, why do you want me to go and abort the baby? Okay, if you want me to go and abort the baby, give me money, let me go and abort the baby. He said that one concern the woman. Anyhow, where she want to, make she do like that, make she go abort the baby. Whether she get money, she not get, make she find her, she will take go find money, go abort that baby. I always tell madam, you better leave this house or they will come carry their body will carry go bury for your village. Number one, this marriage they are into now Lagos marriage.
Lagos marriage.
They not do normal marriage.
Now Lagos marriage, the man don't know where the woman come from. Now for Lagos here, now they do all those things. Leave this man. The man doesn't know where you're coming from. Even when I was asking her, how would you and this man take meet? She started telling me when she was the place that she was working, the man they used to come there like that, and there they meet. From there, when Belle come enter the first pregnancy, the man was angry. Why the woman go get Belle? Why the woman go Belle? Problem. See, she come finally back on with the man. She born that one, struggle till another one enter again.
She struggle.
Now again, this one don't enter again. She's the man see the beat and tell her say you go must abort her. If you know abort her, you no go leave her, you no go stay for this house.
Which means all the belle where the woman don't they get, the man they vex on top all the belle.
I don't know. But this woman, I don't know. Maybe as I left home now, they'll be fighting there because every day a day cannot pass without them fighting.
Okay. Now, because as it be so now, is there high possibility they say we go call her, she not go pick, or we go call her and she not go want talk about the issue. Get anybody?
I know, sir, she can. I know since I did not tell her that before even I collect her number, I did not tell her that I will report. I did not tell her that I want to report the case today. I just collected that. Just tell her that because she's looking for work. Just tell her that I need your number. They said that I want to give you work. Just give me your number. That's when she gave me the number. So, but you can call her. I know she will talk.
Okay, all right, no problem. Make we try call her.
All right, sir.
Now, wow.
Na real wow.
You know better say we'll do one single for this whole matter now.
Now, wow. See, I want tell you now, women. You see, before we start to talk about the issue, before we pick phone now, they call this lady on top this issue. Me and Tombo talk something. Don't be never. I don't know that one don't enter by that time.
She was on her way.
I want to marry before I'm 30. Oh, I'm 25. I have to get married.
I'm getting old.
I need to get married.
I want to born all my children.
I want to born all my children. Latest by
I'm 35.
Like 35. I want to born all my children
so that I can enjoy my marriage.
So that I can enjoy my marriage.
Okay.
My sister, not be everybody go marry. Make I also tell you something where you don't understand, my sisters in the Lord where they hear us now. Not be every man will get machine gun be man. Not be every man they marry Jebu. Some men they not build them to marry
At all.
And I beg make una know they carry marriage for head as the ultimate.
Marriage. Manhood not be man real. At all.
Preach.
It's not all.
Make una they hear one, we they talk and make una open una ear. Not be by force say you go marry oh. Not be by force oh.
And because of the hurry, they go just say, nah, man, marry any man.
Because say
The first man will face them.
Because no, the problem for most of una say una go enter relationship. Say the relationship, if it's not going to end in marriage, I don't want it.
I don't want it.
I don't know what I go tell una again.
Go, yeah.
Una go collect woto they go.
Many of this marriage now the women even force the man into it.
Or trap them.
Yeah. He go carry belle. He come back to go live with the man. Trapper.
See this one now. He carry belle. Would they call him now? More see whether she will pick.
Ronaldo.
You see this one now. You carry belle. Where you they walk? The man come meet you there. Yeah. You carry belle for the man. The man they quarrel you say why you carry belle?
Why you carry? You still carry.
Madam, this man where don't turn to makeup artist. Every day he go tell you your face is too smooth.
Let me make it
face beat by moi. He go give you up boom boom. Give you blushes here. Give you black blushes here. Give you red blushes here. You still sit down there. Now, person why help you? You say you don't want.
So you don't want me to embarrass.
You don't want me to embarrass
see who
your
husband. Man, we don't know where you from come.
Man, we don't know where you as a human being from come. Now be your husband.
Okay,
now imagine how this thing go down day now. You go down day for like 4 years now,
yes,
or 5 years.
Yes,
go call back.
Free my pocket.
My sister, she not pick as I take tell you.
She go down dey listen to.
Maybe sir, you give me like 5 minutes. Let me because I'm my working place is close to.
You know what you go happen? Make you go house. I go call you back in 5 minutes. Or when you don't reach house, flash me. Then I go call you to talk to her. Drag her, go one corner, make the husband know the minute not come slap am join with the phone. Where would they talk to her? Okay?
Okay, sir.
She must get we must help her come out for that nonsense which she did.
Amen.
Come marriage. Thank you, my sister. So all of una way they there. In fact, shebi that day we open phone line because we not get how we want take talk again. We can open phone line to those we don't marry and those we get sense. Make them advice on our young ladies. Because my mouth don't dry. I beg. listen to me and listen attentively. Not be everybody go marry. Not be everybody go marry, yo. Not be everybody go marry. E get some people na only to born pikin na im dem go get and their life go dey beautiful. E get some people the freedom and enjoyment wey dem dey enjoy now as human being wey dem dey alive, their brain dey work well, dem dey think well, dem get peace of mind. Dem no enjoy am. Dem dey think say na when dem get man, dem go get more. That man go come, you come dey wish say you dey alone. Now the question wey I go ask most of una, even the married ones, if dem tell you say madam your marriage, all of una wey dey Nigeria now, una marriage don expire as at today wey be the 4th of May 2022, go to different courts and renew your marriage by tomorrow. Madam, talk true, you go renew?
If you go renew, let us know.
Why would they ask that question? Now so that some of una wey dey there wey don dey rush to marry when e be say everything na marriage for una go see say marriage not be the ultimate. Marriage not be the ultimate. 99% message wey dey for here, everybody they talk say this one say over in dead body, e no go renew am. This one say over, in fact na that over dead body na even shock me pass. This one say he rather become reverend sister than renew marriage. Nedu and Tombo, is a pity that so many women see marriage as God don't settle me. Like where Oga they settle on one boy, no plans, no preparation, nothing. The mindset is a big problem. Amara from Sule. Now this lady where they suffer this thing, her number now they go, we go leave them. And another thing when it be say, I want talk on top of this show, make everybody also hear am. Not be everybody that feel safe. That one not say that way.
Even for Bible self.
Everybody cannot be saved.
I'm not called save all now.
Everybody cannot be saved. So the thing is, he says this lady dey so now where they suffer this thing now. He get the one where we go. It is say we never get issues where they don't tell us when they be say we not even chook eye on top, we not even bring common air. He get plenty issues where they don't tell us when they be say we not even think come to carry common air because not everybody then feel safe. He gets okay. He be like that lady now when he be say go carry belle. Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma. How you dey?
I'm fine, thank you.
Now, my name is Nedu. They call you from Oziba FM for Lagos here. Somebody report one of your friend will like you, we love you, report your issue to us. Say you no want help yourself. You no want help yourself. May we help you, madam. Why you no want comot for marriage? Not far. I know we call her marriage because we are not married. Why you no want comot for situation where you dey die on top?
Because of the accommodation that I've not yet gotten, and then I have 2 children at home. So
You, madam, where you from? Talk well. I know they even to hear you. Talk well. Where you from?
I'm from Cross River.
Cross River.
Yes.
How old you dey?
33.
You be 33 years old. Now, how long you don't deal with this man?
This year making 11 years.
Hey! Wait. 11 years. Madam.
Sir?
So which means you be how old when you are 21 where you and the man don't dey? 21 years old.
Yes.
And where this man from?
Abia State.
Abia State. Madam, you not get family members?
I have, but my father is blind.
Your father is what? Blind. Your mother, uncle?
My mother is old.
Your family, your brothers, your sisters, your uncles, family members, you not get?
I lost my uncle.
Madam, you not get other family members where they talk to you, where you they talk to?
The thing is that I don't actually report case to them because they are too far from me.
They are too far from you, so you know they report to them.
Yes. So I was thinking that it's going to change, but every day it's getting worse.
So what do you want to do now? What do you want make we do for you? In fact, no need to even ask you too much questions. What do you want make we do for you?
Now just accommodation, I just need.
We're not gonna give you accommodation, or not be us, not be us. It not be we will not be charity organization. We'll not they do all those things. We're not gonna give you accommodation, madam. You get family members. our own na to point you to the right direction to come out. If you hard for you to come out, we see how we go take use our force take drag you come out for situation where we go feel kill you or affect your children for life. How old be your children? How old them be?
My daughter is 9 years. The other one is 6 years.
Now two daughters, I be one girl and one boy.
One girl and one boy.
Now the first one be 9 years.
Yes.
And I hear say the first time when you get belle, say the man say they quarrel you why you get belle.
Yes.
And you still leave the belle. You born pikin. He quarrel you for the first one. You still open leg. You carry belle again for the second one. Now the third one again. You don't carry belle. Madam, I want to ask you. This man not marry you. What to make you sit down for the house for 11 years? And not tell me. And not tell me say that because of the belle. What to make?
Because of the children.
When he give you belle the first time, and he not marry you, why you pack enter in house go to live with them?
Because he said that we are going to get married.
Oh, he said he's going to get married. He never gathered the money finish for 11 years. Now, uncle, where you get belle now, he dey beat you to make you go abort him. You want still sit down there, Abi, you want come out there.
I won't come out there. That's why I'm looking for money.
Madam, oh, Jesus. I don't want to talk with you, I don't want to talk. Me, I not go give you money. Nobody go except say person want help you. You not get work where you they do.
The work they pass for feeding. And then my children, the two of them are in school.
The work now it help you for feeding.
The man not the work.
The man not the work. Your husband, your boyfriend not the work.
Oh.
You know what, madam? You see for today's case, we go our prayer. We just want to hear from you. But from the conversation where we they talk now, you never ready to help yourself. I'm sorry, why they talking like this? Because madam, if you don't ready to help yourself, and the beating don't tire you, you go stand up, jeje, carry yourself, carry your 2 children, run, find your family member, or go village, go sit down with your family members. Right now, you see they find big money to take come out. In fact, I sure say the money where you look for, now money where you go take go rent house. Who want give you that money? You go sit down for family. You go sit down with a man when not marry you. The man they beat you every day, turn you to punching bag. You still sit down there. So, madam, we can only pray for you. God will give you grace. God will give you strength to take for commodity for there. We can't help you because obviously, I'm not sure say you're ready to help yourself. When you're ready, now my number be this. Not call me, send me text message or send me WhatsApp message. Because right now, I'm not sure say you're ready to help yourself. Bye-bye. We will come back to you when time is.
See, I'm not fit talk. I don't. My mabby don't low now. I'm not fit talk. 11 years.
11 years of boyfriend and
of long-term boyfriend.
Obviously, you're not ready to help yourself.
You can't believe the first time the guy said no, you don't want them. He still hold him. Go live with the guy. He do 2. He say no want them. He still hold him. Deal with the guy. Now they do 3 now.
For the 3 way you understand, the 3 way you did now, the man they beat you, say you go come out the belle. You still sit down there. He say, I not get money. Why I go take? No, sit down there.
These are like parts of the reasons why some men think say that they feel just do woman anyhow because they know that they don't feel support themselves. They don't have that zeal to say they won't get up, to say they won't go walk.
Because not for this show. What I tell Ogane to say.
How she see they sit.
All of this matter. If you look and where the woman don't get transport to go.
She doesn't have.
and this is the joke. You don't get transport to move, and it's disheartening. Make I speak English. Well, not the meaning. It's heartbreaking.
I no one say na poverty they cause this thing. Not be poverty. No. Not be poverty.
Hey, poverty.
Because if I say na poverty, it means say when you get money, na just stupidity. Yeah, unzuzu pa.
Pure stupidity.
Pure stupidity. Now in the do all of
Zuzu.com.
And where the stupidity start, I go talk am anybody wey vex make e knock head for wall. Now from your parents, your mama and papa where they hear me, the stupidity starts from some of una. Some of una.
With all due respect.
With all due respect. The stupidity starts from some of una. Now I go open match TikTok say, oh, Tombo, welcome. Oh. I have 3 daughters, so this one don't marry. This one don't marry. By God's grace, this one go marry next year. Na pride it be for you as a parent. May your children marry. Not be saying a bad thing made them marry. Made them marry. But not put them as number 1 thing for them head. Parents every time you go see girl go say, you self, it's time for you to leave this my house. Go and bring a man that will come and marry you. From go and bring a man. They go carry beast, carry lion. Can't give you. Lion go pretend to your daughter. I love him. Lion go pretend to you when he come to house. You go say, oh, and he's well to do. He's okay. Hey, woman. Hey, my in-law. He go marry your daughter. After he marry your daughter, more than they listen to the story. After he marry your daughter, you carry your daughter go. You don't pay bride price. You carry your daughter go. After you don't carry your daughter go. Then you go begin beat your daughter boom 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 boom. Your daughter now go gree comot because one, he not get shame. His mind not there for her to come back and tell you say that person where you say make you go marry where you bring come house, he dey beat am. Shame not go let her feel come back house because some of them when they come back house now you mama and papa now you go still pursue. I'm in my own husband house. Please go back to your husband house. Go and settle your issue. Most of una that una same daughter where una forced to marry, where una use talk psychologically convince them to marry. You think say this forcing to marry now physical forcing? No, sometimes psychological forcing dey. You don't force them, but you don't know say you force them with the thing where you dey talk. Do and leave my house. Go and get a home of your own. Psychological forcing don't dey there. Pressure. You don't put the pressure psychologically and otherwise. You put pressure emotionally. Pressure on that pikin, it don't matter. When then they beat her for the husband house, she go come back house, come cry. Hey, Chibike is beating me. Hey, Mecca is knocking my head. Shagu is killing me.
You know the funny thing you're gonna do? When they go cry, give their mama and papa, they'll say, no, it's not him. I'm sure, no. What have you done?
What have you done?
My son-in-law is not like that. He's calm. He's quiet. He's not like that. Go back.
Go and settle your family. Some go tell you, say, don't worry. Let us join hands together in prayer and pray.
The Lord will change him.
So, yes, parents now wanna start this problem. Now, another problem again. Another of the major problem of this marriage where they annoy me. Where plenty girls don't carry for their head now, say marriage. Plenty girls believe say that their marriage now be the life. You can say, actually, after university, I'm going to do my NYSC. After NYSC, I'm going to get a job. After I get a job, I'll meet me a man. After I meet a man, I want to make sure I have all my kids before 35. That is it. No plan, nothing.
Nothing.
Marriage not be the end goal. Marriage is supposed to be the last thing. Another thing, you ladies, una go rush enter relationship. The first thing where they for your mind na marriage. See, I don't want to enter in a relationship that's not going to lead to marriage. When you don't put marriage first for that relationship, things will go happen, will go make you come out of that relationship. You don't go come out because you don't see say this guy is a marriageable type. Good morning, Organido. I like the way you just end the lady issue because obviously she's not ready to help herself. She's living a life that even her family can't testify to it. To be honest, you Organido, not be every issue una go shook eyes because many women think that they bring things they bring with a man is a standard of living. Thank you for dropping the issue of this lady because I see nothing to talk about. Nothing. Period. Nothing. Most ladies, wetin make them the rush enter marriage way they're not plan for. Where they beat them, they're not gonna come out. Most of them know they think first. The first way they want to think of now so that when they go outside, if person okay, Tombo, now you be the person will stop me now me be the girl.
Hello, how are you?
Excuse me.
What?
I'm a married woman. Talk to me with respect.
And so what have I said now?
I'm a married woman. Talk to me with respect. So most ladies just want answer married woman. Yeah. That Mrs. Oh, they just want answer Mrs. something.
Mrs. Beating.
Mrs. Beating. Madam, come outside. On them with your chest. Say then they beat you. If you don't mistakenly call married woman Miss.
Yeah. Hey.
You don't mistakenly call married woman. You go say, oh, instead of Mrs. John, you say, oh, Miss John. Hey! Hold it there.
Stop it, one.
Stop it. I'm a married woman. Excuse you. When you want to call me, put Mrs. in front of it. I'm somebody's wife. Where then they beat? My sincere advice to single ladies out there is for them not to see marriage as the most important thing and the most important aim in life, no matter the pressure from your family. Most ladies have nothing to offer financially. Yeah, shishi no gomona. Please, ladies, get something doing before marriage. Yeah, get something where they give you money. So that when you vex, you can be able to carry your cloth and have transport to live.
Peacefully.
As well, not go marry because of say I want me Mrs. Day my name. When you are ready, not when the society is ready. Because waiting they keep plenty people. What will people say? What will people say?
What would they?
Some people will say that the wedding they came for last week. Oh, my enemies have succeeded. Oh my.
Not when the society is ready, because you know why? This our society is not ready.
I will never renew. It's not easy. And the funny part be say the society where you they talk. Now society not send you.
It's not ready.
Now be society. Osinachi they talk society. Dialogue society. Osinachi never die go.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on Top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.